Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an image gallery with Flickr, complete guide step by step clearly. To create an image gallery with Flickr, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Flickr website at www.flickr.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Follow the prompts to fill out your information and complete the registration process. If you already have an account, click on Sign In and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Upload button, usually found at the top of the page. Click on the Upload button to begin adding photos to your Flickr account. Select the images you'd like to upload from your computer. You can choose multiple images at once by holding down the Control or Command key while selecting. After selecting your images, click the Open button to upload them to your Flickr account. While your images are uploading, you can add titles, descriptions, and tags for each photo. Consider using relevant keywords to make your gallery more searchable. Once your images are uploaded, click on the Albums tab on your Flickr profile. Click on Create a new album to start organizing your photos into a gallery. Give your album a descriptive title that reflects its content. You can then select the photos you want to include in this album by checking the boxes next to each image. After selecting your photos, click on the Add to Album button. Review your selections and click on the Save button to create your album. Now, navigate back to your profile to see your newly created album. You can adjust the privacy settings for your album by clicking on the Album Settings icon. Choose whether you want your gallery to be public, limited, or private based on your preference. To share your gallery, you can copy the link provided or use the sharing options available. Consider customizing your album by adding a cover photo that represents the theme. To do this, click on the Edit icon in your album, and follow the prompts to select a cover image. Once you're satisfied with your album, explore features like adding comments or letting others add photos if desired. Your image gallery is now complete and can be shared with friends or the public. Enjoy showcasing your photography and connecting with others on Flickr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.